Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Peter's Autovlog. Here we are in front of the 2024 Toyota Crown, which is the new flagship sedan from Toyota. This is kind of replaced the Avalon. Very unique, very different style to this sedan. Obviously, I'm glad still Toyota's producing sedans because a lot of manufacturers are going, SUV, and Toyota's still doing quite a bit of sedans. You can see we got the new Camry there, Corolla here as well. But this more, it's kind of like a lifted sedan. It's got a unique styling, wheels, very interesting. It's like a modernized kind of next generation Camry, if I may say so. But I really like it. It's a good looking car. Kind of similar styling to the Mirai you saw a few minutes ago. There we go, Toyota Crown. Now, of course, these are powered by the iForce Max engines, up to about 340 horsepower, something like that. I'll put that information for you guys on the screen. There's two power plants, if I'm correct, with either front or all-wheel drive. I'll put that information for you guys up on the screen, as I've been doing so many cars today. I don't know all the specs of every car, but I really like the way this is designed. I really like it. You got hybrid power plants and all that kind of stuff you want to do in this car. I like the styling. And this particular red looks fantastic. Let's take a look at the interior a little bit here. Open up the Toyota Crown interior, and somebody left the paper there. Wow, it's really interesting. Very similar to the Camry I just kind of got in out of a few minutes ago. Well, let's get inside, guys, real quick. So here we are inside of this Crown, and I really like the kind of JBL system. I see we got a 12-13 inch screen here, as you can see. Also digital screen there as well. Really interesting touches to this one here. As you can see, we got a bit of a pop gray material here for the center console. I see this is a pretty nice looking vehicle. Obviously a nice Toyota steering wheel here as well. Got a panoramic sunroof coming around here in the back. Really interesting design to this Toyota Crown. Obviously this is kind of all the kind of designs of the interiors are going this way by Toyota, depending on the model. We got a speaker here as well, here as you can see there. Really nice. This looks like a little bit of a goldish kind of rose gold details on the doors, and really like it. Let's check out the glove box real quick here. Yeah, got some good room here. Really like it. It's like a really modernized, I won't say Camry, but yeah, very similar to that. And since Toyota's no longer offering the Avalon, this is kind of the replacement. It's a little differently shaped, but overall it's a good design. You can see a little more details there as well. And heading out on this side here, check out the rear design of this door. And let's just go ahead and check out a little bit of this interior here. Very nice. I like this complete panoramic sunroof with a lighting here in the back. Looks like very spacious in back room as well. Really nice what Toyota has done to this Crown. These are already on sale. I'm trying to get my hands on one here so I can test drive and do a full review on and drive and see how this feels. But let me know what you guys think of this 2024 Toyota Crown. Really awesome looking. It might be a 2023, but most near the other show there mostly have been 2024s. I really like the design. It's really up there, really different than anything else, especially for the sedan. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.